come down and hit her in the head.
I just seen them and figured you used to like popping them, so I thought, well,
Are you scared of them, Amy?
We need
You
to buy
should
the
have been.
out.
I said, I'll buy him some. And
Back again.
I want to keep mine.
well, I'm gonna put them in a bag and put them somewhere.
Put mine in a separate bag.
That one's yours.
Yeah.
Come look at this. You should jump. See? She's scared of it.
Is there one in there?
No. This one I just went off. Trey, did you make that noise?
What noise? Just now?
Yeah.
No. It could have been Mama popping.
Well, it was made a jump.
Who, Amy?
Nothing.
We shouldn't be scared now.
Oh, no.
Hey, Dan. Okay, pick that up. There's probably chemicals in it or something. That.
No, wait, see what she does.
Okay. It's terrifying. It's a heart. It's terrifying. It's inflating more.
Do it again. Do it. No, wait. Let her do it again. Then watch.
Ain't nothing. Trey, you pop yours yet?
Ha!
Trey, you pop yours yet?
No.
I have food left. I'm saving them. Oh God, next time when she pops it, I'm gonna kick it in the head.
No, Trey.
Don't scare her.
Yeah, we shouldn't do that. It's
We need to
terrifying.
get fishing line on these, Mama.
Where did Amy go?
That's Amy. Abby's
Is it?
Yeah, Abby's right over here.
No, I said Amy again, didn't I?
Mhm.
I meant Abadabadoo. Where is she?
She's over here. She wants nothing to do with them. After one pop in her face, she did over there. She wants nothing to do with them. Wait, here she comes.
Nope, she don't want nothing to do with them. She's scared of them.
You scared. Abby.
Yeah. She took off. She went all the way around to pass it.
Okay, I'm ending the video.